Oh wait.
Happy, happy, happy.
Will they do lipstick at the end? Dun dun dun. Alright y'all, it's my Saturday. My daddy back there. So actually going to a graduation celebration for my cousin. Alright y'all. Like I said, it's my Saturday. I'm here with Chauncey. Chauncey, look. Look, man. Yeah, he's just all over the place. But I'm here. I'm going to show y'all my whole fit in a few. But I'm sitting here while everyone fits their food with Chauncey until they get back. This is how they have it decorated. We got the fan going. Yeah, it's for Jania's graduation. And she has a full ride to South Carolina State University. Y'all, this fan feels so good. But y'all, I'll be back once I get my food. I'm going to show y'all Chauncey wherever he is. Where is he? Let me see. Here, man. Here, man. Here, look. There he is. Here, Chauncey, come. Y'all, he restless. There's so many people here, so y'all know how he is. He's so friendly. All right, y'all, I'll be back. Up to my once. Me too. You just said you had to take a back. I had a permit test, so I didn't have a driver's test. You ain't had to go through the driving then? You did? Oh, yeah, we talking about actual driving. Y'all, this is my meal. It was like 4 o'clock. Uh-oh. Hey, Jay. Y'all say hi to Jay. Yeah, y'all know Jay. She's always on our live. Yes, I am. I always working. Always. What you had to eat? You ain't eat nothing. I did. What you had? Barbecue, rice, what else I did? That's it. I tell you what, I'm packing up some hot meat to go. This the pulled turkey she did for your mom. No! Look at that. You keep going over there. He like, that's your bestie. They're eating and fanning. What happened? Well, how did he do? How did you do when you got home? Was he treating you differently? He was like, letting me go make it better. He would have known if she didn't make it. Yeah, they understand. They really do understand. I've had me some good lunch this week. That's some cheesy macaroni. Just trying to give him some bit. How do you help her think? Alright, y'all, we're playing Right, left, center. We just lost. Let me see your wad, Tyra. This was Tyra. We playing for dollars. This was the first round. That's Tyra. Yeah. No, what we gonna do? Keep pushing a dollar back and forth through Cashapp, and Cashapp gonna shut down.
If y'all need a loan,
Yeah, she'll loan you.
Chauncey! Take him to the room, let him fall asleep.
Right. Yes.
Did you get it? Crazy. So flick of the wrist, the flick of the wrist, flick of the wrist.
Let's see. Oh. Right. What you got, Twan? You got 3, 2. Yeah, that's me.
I don't even know my left or
Why
right.
you got your flash on?
I can. What's that? Oh, Jesus.
Right, left, 2 left and a right.
2 left and a right. Man. Now she better get me back. To the right. To the right.
3 stars. You see you want 3
To the
stars.
right. Left, all of it. Oh, just 3.
Put your other dollar in.
She got to use that one.
Use it, yeah.
Left and left.
Thank you.
Oh, good. How many you need, Twan? 2?
With the dog.
You're right. Left.
What is mine?
Yeah. Left.
Look at this right. Bang! That's safe. Ain't no
Reroll.
He rolled. Ain't no stop. Do it again. Ain't no stop.
Left and left. That's the cereal. Left. Dang it.
2 lefts and right.
Right. 2 left.
She lost.
Right. Two right and a left. Center and a right. Tyra. Center. Tawana got all 3.
She got 2 stars.
2 centers. And all Dana.
Over here. Flick of the wrist. Flick of the wrist. Flick of the wrist.
Center. 1.
Star.
Left.
Give it back.
Star.
Right.
Oh.
Dana.
There you go. 3.
Oh, Chauncey!
I'm gonna take them to the room after this. There you go. Right. And a left.
We was calling you to FaceTime you so you can see your child. Oh, I'm sorry. I want you to see your child. You just being charmed. You just want you to see your child. You hear your dad? Yeah.
You want to let Dana be great? Oh, I need one.
He want Dana to hold him. That's what I say to my kids.
What is that?
Y'all start babying him.
Yeah, just leave them, let them go.
Right. Right. Okay. And a center.
We in the kitchen playing left, right, center.
Oh, yeah, leave.
there.
Okay.
Bye, Ryder. Bye.
Hey!
See, you get cheated, Ryder. Why you pay attention?
Don't blame him. Right.
Take it back in.
2.
Stop.
Put him down.
And Papa.
I see you. Now we got 4 quarters, 5 quarters right now. It don't matter. We know what I had an extra quarter.
Good. Try to cheat. Center. Take it. Right. Try to cheat.
You got this. Left.
Center. Oh. Okay. Center. Yes. Center. That should be interference.
That's it for me.
Right, hold it up, Tyra, again. Smile. Hey everybody, it's the next day and we're going to our spot. And you all shall see where that spot is. We're not going to eat it in the car because we got to deliver as well. So we'll see y'all when we get there. We'll show you what we got and we'll come back and eat it a little bit with y'all before we continue our weekend vlog. See y'all in a bit. Cut that pause. Alright y'all, here's my acai bowl. So I'm gonna eat a little with y'all. That look delicious. There's hemp seed and coconut flakes. See the blueberries, the strawberries. And y'all saw the bananas. Got that granola, honey. I hope my Nutella on there. I see it. It is. So y'all come and eat with me. Alright y'all. Here's some more of my weekend vlog. Yeah, we've already prepped the food and put that on. So go over to Tyra's Twitter. No, you said TikTok and her YouTube channel. So that was part of our weekend, but we went on her channel. So what we also gonna do is maybe do a little mukbang dinner with y'all. I'm not sure, that might be separate from my next video. So y'all know how I do. I gotta spread it out. I need to put all the goodness in one weekend. Give y'all some goodness throughout the week too. How about that? Let me see my grace. Lord, we want to thank you for the food that we're about to receive. Help us to nourish our bodies. In these words we ask in your son Jesus' name we pray. Amen. Yes, y'all. So what y'all eating on this Sunday? We got us some good eats. We ain't had in a minute. Everybody eating. Chauncey's over there eating. My daddy must be had a snack. Yes, y'all. Here's that acai. Y'all take a just a bite.
All the way in my bowl.
Y'all mean tired of wanting this? We really want this. Good and refreshing. Wipe that off. Look a little blurred. But when we got back, we put these up because we had to put on the food to get ready. Yeah. Yes. So delicious. So it does have granola on it too. I think I told y'all that. Yeah, we had a great weekend. Great family time spent. The only persons missing were Marquise and Darielle. But everybody else was here. Oh, my immediate family. I put a whole banana on here too. My teeth was frozen. So those of you that are here, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do so. And hit that bell so y'all got notifications every time that I post. Share me out. Tell your friends so they can come in and comment with me and we can communicate via chat.
Do you have a secret food before you eat?
Hmm?
Do you have smaller food before you eat? It depends. If it's something new, then I'll go outside.
I still ain't smell it. Tyra asked me, do I smell my food before I eat it?
I'm pretty sure they can hear
I
me.
told her no. Do y'all do it? But I won't eat some things based on what it look like. Like I don't eat oatmeal. I've never tasted it. I just don't like what it look like. So I don't recall tasting. Let me just put it like that. If it's my choice, I'm not eating it because it just don't look like the consistency and stuff. And y'all know I don't even eat strawberries, but I love strawberries in this. And Nutella, because the acai really isn't sweet, but that honey and Nutella, it all works together. Hey, y'all comment if y'all heard of anyone or any mukbang channel, YouTube channel, that's having a meet and greet. Because I'm trying to do something. You look at me? You video on me? Oh. Yeah, I should be trying to video me on the slide. I could be riding and singing in my car. And she got me on video in her group chat with her little friend. Lanaya, I know that's you.
What you talking about? What's you talking about? What you just say?
But the good thing is, her friends, so I'm cool and funny.
Oh,
And pretty. I think y'all are too.
Repeat that.
Get off me, get me off video.
I'm not recording you. Repeat what you just said. Why?
Go watch my video and see what I say. I'm probably not got no hair right now. I took my hat off. And you know when you have a hat on, I'm gonna just make my forehead bigger. Good job, man. Alright, y'all. But I hope y'all enjoyed my weekend vlog. Start off with a celebration for Jania's graduation. Congratulations. And like I said, she has a full ride to South Carolina State. And then, what else you do? I do not have no clue. I won't know until I start editing. But y'all, thank y'all so much. Please remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so you have notifications every time that I post. Please also share with everyone so my channel can grow. And go over to Tyra's BigWorldofFlavor, do the same thing for her. And why not? Come and see my next video.
Happy.
Really good lipstick at the end. Dun, dun, dun.